Hi, I'm Jack, and 2 weeks ago I started the 2 week diet. I was 20 kilos overweight. Do you know what that feels like? You feel sluggish, you feel tired all the time, no energy at all. And the worst thing was, I had no self esteem. I discovered the diet after one of my colleagues at work came back from a holiday 30 kilos lighter. It was ridiculous. I just couldn't believe it. I asked her what she'd done to lose that much weight so quickly. She told me all about the 2 week diet created by the weight loss guru that is called Brian Flatt. He owns a gym in LA where all the beautiful people are. Apparently, he trains all these famous celebrities and Hollywood actors to get in shape for movie roles in super fast lightning time. Okay? That's what he does. He's written all his secrets into 4 handbooks that teach you how to master your unwanted body fat and literally melt it away in just 14 days. The first handbook focuses on teaching you how the body gains and stores fat and why some people get fatter than others. I learned a lot from this, especially about my own body. The second part, the diet handbook, tells you exactly secret foods wise what you need and what you need to know, and you'll be doing it 14 days. Okay, you're eating the secret foods to burn the fat. There are no shakes, no juices, no expensive supplements or anything like that. No way. Just good old wholesome food that contains scientifically proven ingredients that melt fat away. The third book, the activity handbook, shows you the highest intensity short exercises. You should be doing them. You really should. At home to melt away your stomach fat. You have no idea how grateful I am that my beer belly is now gone. And finally, the motivation handbook is all about getting your mind in the right place so that you can stay committed to the diet and see it through to the end. I'll be honest, I've tried so many diets in the past, but usually I've just given up after a couple of days because they're boring. I didn't see any results at all. But trust me, when you wake up in the morning and jump on the scales and find yourself having lost 1 kilo lighter than the day before, it's just incredible. It gives you serious motivation to keep going. And that's exactly what the 2 week diet does. This diet seriously works. All 4 parts come together to form an amazing, detailed and precise system that does exactly what it promises. It really does. I feel fantastic now. 20 kilos lighter in just 14 days. I've gone down about 3 sizes in clothes, trimmed several inches off my waist, which needed to happen, and have never been happier in my life. My confidence and self-esteem are through the roof. My self-belief, I believe I can do anything now. And it's all thanks to Brian's 2 week diet. I encourage you to go have a look at his system. Quit wasting your time with diets that just promise the world but don't deliver, okay? They get boring exercise routines. Don't do that anymore. Just in 2 weeks from now, you could be 20 kilos lighter than like me. It's incredible. You literally have nothing to lose except your unwanted fat.
If you're not trying to lose weight, if you don't care about revitalizing your body, if you aren't worried about the possible diseases you might get as a result of being outside your ideal weight, you can just ignore this system completely. But I know that if you want to lose weight, the 2 week diet is the best solution on earth. So let's get started. Click the button below to grab your copy right now. Hey, one last thing before I shut this video down. Obesity is the #1 cause of preventable deaths in America. It's not something you can take lightly. In fact, this is quite possibly the most important decision you will make in your entire life. If you choose to take action and join me for the 2 week diet, you could literally save your life. At the very least, you will reduce your risks for many painful and frankly expensive illnesses that are caused by weight problems. Heart disease, stroke, cancer, the risks are massive. You're playing Russian roulette every single day you don't take action. Will you leave your family behind? Will you allow yourself to remain stuck? Or will you take action, choose the easy path to rapid weight loss, and become your best possible self? Today is the day. Click below to get started.